Hey there everyone, today we are going to look at the Flexbox game, how to actually align and justify elements in Flexbox in Webflow, levels 11 through 17. Let's check it out. Alright, so level 11, we're getting a little bit more complicated here. First I can see this needs to be vertically aligned. Let's flip that and then spread it out a little bit, maybe a little bit more. And there we are, level 12, here we go. Reverse the order, justify it, and then bottom line. Nice. Check this out, what happened to my circles. So right now, the children of this element are not wrapping. So all these guys are individual children, but they're all staying in line. If instead we wrap those guys and let them jump to the next line, then it automatically spreads them out. You can see that now we have alignment for children as well. 14, here we go, let's see what we can do. Let's wrap those children. Find some kind of, oh, there we go, we're getting close centered rather than left aligned, and there it is. Level 15, what do we got? So we're gonna wrap those guys. Actually, sorry everyone, let's get this going. Gotcha. Okay, check it out, circle on circle. Anyways, okay, sorry, I got excited, saw a squirrel. So let's justify those top, bottom, center line. Let's not center line, let's spread them out all the way. Level 16, alright, now this is going to get a little tricky. However, if we are in here, it says, what do we do? Use the column layout and wrap the children. So let's first start off by wrapping the children and see what happens. Vertical? Check that out. So horizontal, 1, 2, 3, now changes those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check that out, right? So horizontal versus vertical. Otherwise, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get that? Vertical. Okay, so let's do that. We've got the children wrapped, and now, rather than having those children spread out all the way, let's bring them in a little bit. Nope, that didn't work either. All right, center those guys. There we go. Okay, so we're hovering around the middle axis there. And then now, rather than it being justified to the top, let's get it center aligned, and we made it in there. Nicely done. Okay, this one's tricky. I haven't done this one yet. Let's see if we can figure it out. So we need this number 3 to drop down here to the bottom. So since I'm in my Flexbox layout, what I can do is select an individual element, and then you can see that changes for the Flex child. Okay, so rather than Flexbox in the layout, we're looking at just the child element. We can change the order of it and put it last, or we can put it first, or we can put no order, just let it do what it does. But what we can do here, instead of it being line top, let's drop it down to the bottom. So that is pretty tricky. And actually, I'm gonna go, yeah, that's good for today. You know what? We're gonna check out the next one tomorrow. I don't want to lie to you about what we're going through, but they do get pretty tricky as you get to these further along levels. Level 28, we'll split this up into a couple segments. I will see you all again soon. Later.